Now, I don't know why my husband went into the grocery store and picked up the biggest watermelon him see in the store. I don't know, maybe because him knows some can handle it. Anyway, let's work on this watermelon together because we're going to juice half of it and we're going to cut up the rest so we can eat the rest of it. Let's go. Now let's get ready for juicing. As you know, my little helper is always helping me out. But whenever I'm doing juice, he loves juicing so much. So he decided that he wanted to take over the juicing while I do the recording. And I don't remember the brand for this juicer, but I think I have it in my Amazon storefront. I will let you know. Somebody had asked in one of my previous videos. But this watermelon juice, it's so yummy. It's so refreshing. It's so delicious. I added some lemon, maybe 2 or 3 lemons to it. Usually I would add ginger also, but I was out of ginger. And that is the end result. We got a whole full jug from half of a watermelon. And usually we bottle these up and put in the fridge. And there's a taste testing. Yummy. Will you try this watermelon juice? Let me know.